fiberglass. That's what the shower was. It had the cream walls, of course. It had laminate on the floor, ugly top, we will show you the guest bathroom. Quite a difference in there as well. It was a tub, but it was very small, very narrow. The children couldn't even take a bath in it. So we had a larger tub put in there with a niche. We also had the same color scheme, cream and brown. Now we have white and gray. We have quartz countertops, white cabinets, a brand new bathtub, and tile. We have a new paint color gray. This is our master bedroom. The main thing we had done in here was repaint to match the lovely bathroom. This room was a cream colored top to bottom. So now we have a little variation. We have a lovely new barn door that we didn't have, and then this is our new bathroom. To die for. Okay. In the bathroom, we changed the scheme of the bathroom. It was cream all over, brown. We painted the cabinets white. This was a preform sink. So we had, this is quartz countertop with a nice square sink. And then the shower is the main attraction. We had a fiberglass preformed shower here. You had no room to turn around. So now we have a lovely tile shower with accents and a beautiful glass door. And then we trimmed the tub and the same tile. And we like it all very much.